In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick up drop stitches. First, I will show you how to pick up knit stitches, and then I'll show you how to pick up purl stitches. It's very easy, and it helps not to back out all the way if it's a large project or something like that, and you can just pick them up and move on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, don't freak out, drop this stitch down on my work. And you see when you get to it that you'll have a drop stitch, and what you're going to want to do is take your right needle and you'll insert it into the drop stitch through the front of it for the knit. Then just get a grip of your needles, however comfortable. Put that next stitch above it. The only stitch you'll end up losing is this one that'll drop all the way down. But you can go as far down and just pick that up, pick up the one behind it and loop it through. Then you'll have another one, pick up behind it and loop it through. And that is how you do it. You'll want to put that back onto the left needle so you can continue knitting. And that's how you pick up a knit stitch. Now to pick up a purl stitch, if that one were to drop off, and then you get to that and you see it, you're going to want to go around to the back of your work. Knits are usually considered front, purls are usually considered in the back. You're going to do the same thing. However, it is in the back, so it's going to look like a purl in the front. And you just do the same thing and just pull that through. You're welcome to use a crochet hook if that helps, or another needle, and then just twist that back because it does end up being twisted the wrong way, but that's okay. Sometimes it's fine, sometimes it isn't. So, and then you can just move on with your knits and purls. The items in this video are linked in the description. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.